To connect the Wi-Fi mobile, so first thing you just light up the keypad, press star and hex, key your admin password. Okay, so you can see have the remote manage, press to add phone user, Wi-Fi. Okay, so you just go to your use smart go. Okay, this one is your use smart go. Okay, so add device, add here, add device. Okay, select Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so you need go to your Wi-Fi list to find the club home. Find the club home first. Okay, this one is the club home. Connect. Okay, so after that you need go back to your apps. After that, waiting to loading. Okay, so this one is search your home Wi-Fi. Okay, you need find the 2.4 GHz jack, the Wi-Fi. So just key in your password. You just waiting to loading. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So register device. Just waiting a few seconds.
Exit setting.
So just press OK. So just set your password. Okay, done. So finish. So you can see it here.